In this video, I'm going to explain the first program of DevOps, that is how to download and install Maven and Gradle. First of all, go to the browser and search for Maven. Click on the first link, search for downloads over here. In files, we will get binary zip file here. Click on it. It will get downloaded over here and you will find it in your downloads. Here in downloads. Now here extract all. I'm leaving this path as default and extract. Copy this file and move it to the program files in your C directory. In program files, here I have already done this. Here I have Maven Apache Maven 3.9.9. So I'm opening this here in a bin directory. Now copy this and now we have to set the environment variable. Environment variable. Here in advanced, here we have environment variable. First we have to create a Maven home like this. If we click on new, we'll get like this. Here type as Maven home and paste that path here and click on OK. Then you will get this one. Then afterwards go to the path here click on new and type this Maven home bin. I have already done over here, you can see. I'm not doing it again. And again we have to click on new and we have to paste that path over here. And I have done it already. So click on OK, OK, here OK. And then open the command prompt. Type mvn m mvn version. Now you can see here we have successfully reinstalled and downloaded this Maven world. Now let's download and install Gradle. First of all, go to the browser and here search for Gradle. Here click on this link, scroll down. Here in installing manually, here we have first step. It is we have download here. Click on it. Again scroll down. Here we have binary only in this download. We have binary only. Click on it, and again it will get downloaded. I have already downloaded it. I'm not downloading it again. Search this in your download files, and you will get Gradle zip file. And again extract all. After extracting, you will get this folder. Move this folder to the C directory in program files. Copy this file. Copy this. Copy this folder. Copy this folder and in your C directory in program files, paste it here like this. And again, click on it. Navigate to the bin. Copy this path again, and we have to set environment variable for this also. Same like as we have done for the Maven. Here we have to create the home for this Gradle, like this Gradle home. If you click on new, you will get this interface. Here type Gradle Gradle home and paste that path over here and click on OK. I'm not doing it as I have already done here. And in path you have to type like this, and again you have to select new and paste that path again over here. Okay. Here and click on OK. 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 And now open the command prompt. Type Gradle space -v and you will get the Gradle 8.12.1 version. We have successfully downloaded and installed this Gradle.